Hi, I'm Dave Jokel of the Jokel Law Office, and today we are going to talk about employment litigation and the impact COVID-19 has had on employment litigation. Texas and New Mexico both are right to work states. What does that mean? Well, what that means is you can be fired for any reason or no reason at all. Employers don't have to have a good reason to fire you. By the same token, you can leave your job at any time. What that means is you can't sue for wrongful termination. You can't sue because your boss is unfair. You can't sue because they did not have a good reason to fire you. However, you can sue if you're discriminated against. Employers cannot use the COVID crisis to discriminate against people. There's several different types of cases we're seeing where employers are doing just that. In certain situations, employers are using the COVID crisis to lay off older, disabled, or pregnant employees. They cannot do that. If they are laying those people off and don't have a good reason to do it, and it's not because of the crisis, but they're using that as an excuse, then that is a good case. Also, there are certain disabilities that make you more susceptible to COVID. If you have one of those disabilities and you are fired because you are more susceptible, then that is another situation where that could be a good case. Recently passed was the Family First Coronavirus Response Act. It applies if a company has 50 to 500 employees. There are extra protections under the Americans with Disabilities Act or the Family Medical Leave Act if an employee is quarantined, if an employee is experiencing symptoms of COVID, if an employee is caring for someone with symptoms, or if the daycare or child care of an employee's child is keeping them from working. In those situations, if you are having difficulty with your employer or you get fired and you have protection under that act, please give us a call. Again, this is not a time where we should be suing small businesses because they've suffered in business because of this crisis and have had to lay people off. However, if you are in a situation where you have been singled out and COVID was used as an excuse, please give us a call. Also, please keep us in mind if you have any other type of age, race, sex, or disability discrimination cases. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.